What's up, YouTube? They're building this pedestrian walkway over the highway here. Looks like they're pumping concrete. Yeah, they're pumping concrete. Wow. Beautiful day, another beautiful day in Biloxi, Mississippi. Not one cloud in the sky. This is red light number 43 in case you're wondering. 43 red lights all the way to the state line of Louisiana. Backwards behind me. I'm headed east right now, passing up Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. They got 2 towers here and a parking garage. My friend Jason wanted to know what's going on with this, used to be a Diocese of Biloxi building over there. It's been vacant since Katrina. So I'm gonna take a look at it. Looks like they're coming along. A lot better than last time I looked at it. Wow. Last time I looked at it, they weren't doing anything. There it is, Jason. If you want to see what it looks like, they're coming along. It's not open yet, I don't think, but maybe something at least. We'll whip around this. I don't want to pull in front of anybody, get mad. And that's Biloxi Harbor. Wow, sun's bright. Beautiful day in Biloxi, another beautiful, picture-perfect day. There she is. Still a lot of work to be done, but they're coming a long way. The windows were shattered not too long ago. It's still fenced and it looks like they're doing nothing today, but the windows were shattered not too long ago. The Hilton Garden Inn's right next door, they're building that too. That's still a long way from completion. That's Deer Island off there, uninhabited. It's just a barrier island. Alright, y'all have a good day. Just wanted to show y'all that. Now, up ahead over here is Harrah's Gulf Coast Hotel and Casino. Over here is over here to the center screen is Margaritaville. It's like a game room. It's a resort. It's like a Dave & Buster's, a big Dave & Buster's. If you're familiar with Dave & Buster's, that's what it's like. It's a big Dave & Buster's. And oh my God! Behind Margaritaville is the Golden Nugget. Margaritaville used to be the old Casino Magic Biloxi before Katrina, but since Katrina, it's closed down in 2005, and it just opened about 2 years ago now. They refinished, they redid all the rooms and everything. It's a nice, pretty big hotel, and have a nice game room, but of course it's not cheap like anything worthwhile. It's not cheap. All right, up here is Golden Nugget. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.